Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can undo an approval for a pull request on GitHub. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you need to add a review to a pull request. So let's do that. I'm going to go to Files Changed, then go to Review Changes, then click on Approve. Now, once I've approved the request, I'm like, oh no! I misclicked, or I didn't realise they did something and I shouldn't approve it. Well, luckily you can undo it. So you want to go to the one approval thing here, click on it, then it will see who's approved the pull request. Then you want to go to the three dots by your name, more review options, then click on dismiss review. You can give a reason, like this, then click on dismiss review. And your review will be gone, and in the history, you will see so-and-so dismissed their review and also gave the reason. And if your repo requires an approval before you can merge, this will mean you can no longer make the merge. And that's it for how you can undo an approval for a pull request on GitHub. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.